Are you looking for a way to continuously improve driver training across your fleet in a useful and efficient way? AutoSense has developed a targeted program that does just that. This program uses a combination of online assessments and coaching, in-vehicle evaluations and training, and simulation sessions to measure drivers' risk and keep them fit to drive. The first step is to evaluate your fleet and driver risk. This is done by filling out 2 short questionnaires. Our fleet risk questionnaire, which is completed by the fleet manager, and the driver risk questionnaire, which each driver will complete. Step 2 is to mitigate driver risk by analysing the driver risk questionnaire to show if a driver is low, medium or high risk. Low risk drivers will undertake online awareness modules. Those identified as medium to high risk will undertake the online modules as well as in-vehicle coaching to improve performance. Specialist skills training courses are also available in trailer management, all-wheel drive and electric and hybrid vehicle training. These practical sessions are paired up with our driver discussion groups. Once the evaluations have taken place, step 3 is to review the results. You'll be provided with a quarterly fleet review, monthly fleet status report and real-time driver assessment reports, which the team at AutoSense will talk through with you. It's a great way to improve your driver performance and safety across your fleet. Now, if you want to know more, contact the team at AutoSense today.